Well, earlier in the program, we heard from Common Ground volunteer Joan Ruskamp about controlling flies on the farm.
Yeah, that can be difficult. Now, Joan is back with a recipe to share. In the segment, Joan shows us a recipe for a frozen fruit snack, great for those hot summer days.
Well, of course, summer is here, and there'll be days when you'll want to find a way to cool off. And joining me now with more on this is Joan Ruskamp. And Joan, what do you have for us today?
This recipe is called Summer Chillers, and many years ago, I had a couple of 4-H'ers that made this for a presentation, and they did a cute little cowboy display with it and dialogue, and it was something I used to make a lot when our kids were growing up, and I had kind of forgotten about it. But now that I have grandkids, I'm thinking more about fruit and something cold, like you said, when it's hot. And then as I was making them, I thought, why aren't Steve and I eating these at night? Let's get started. You're going to use lemonade and orange juice as your juices, and then you're going to add pineapple, peaches, pears, fruit cocktail, grapes, red grapes, seedless ones, of course, strawberries, and bananas, and then some 7-Up. Now, if you want to alternate, like I have to buy a lot of frozen things just to have them on hand, but you can add things that have blueberries or blackberries and use frozen. You don't have to buy fresh. The main thing is you want to freeze these when you get them mixed together. So allow yourself time for that. So you get your juices, you dump in your pineapple, and that's 1 can, not drained, and then drain a 2-cup can of peaches and a can of pears. And I would cut these up in smaller pieces. A can of fruit cocktail, and then you've got your red seedless grapes, and also too, you might want to cut these in half and then dump in your strawberries. And then you're gonna wanna do the bananas last because sometimes they turn brown on us. So you peel your bananas and slice them up. And if you get these out an hour ahead, it helps to defrost them. You're gonna stir this up really well and then get plastic cups. They do make them with lids, so you could travel with them, take them to a ball game, put them in your cooler, and let them in the cooler for a little while, and they're gonna be perfect for a ball game. You're just gonna mix it up and then pour it in a cup, pop it in the freezer, and it's like so simple. You know what I forgot to do though? I forgot to pour in the 7-Up. So yeah, Joan does it, sometimes makes her own recipes and eliminates things, but not this, because this is really important to the flavor.
And then just put it in the freezer for...
Pop these in the freezer. Overnight is great. If you do them in the morning, by late afternoon, they should be frozen.
All right, that looks like a very good thing to have on a hot day. Thank you, Joan, for being here today.
You're welcome.